This is another Sasha tune about a bar. It's highly appropriate.
Band played hard at Jimmy's bar. You could hide inside from the wind. The gamblers lost their dollars, and the drinkers lost their friends. Jim was in love with Julie, but Julie was messed up again, nursing her wounds. The year the flood came in, we could ride couldn't lose the taste of salt or the smell of cheap cigar. The year the flood shut down Jimmy's bar. Clouds attacked, the sky went black on the California coast. Storms devoured the seaside town and coughed up on the bone. Jim tried to rescue Julie, but Julie liked being alone. She made her pick up the phone. The year the flood came in, and you could ride they shone like liquor in a beggar's paper cup. We rolled on Jimmy's dice to try out medicinal luck. The waves crashed down and we didn't think to bother getting up. We were so in love. The year the flood came in, and you could ride
Thanks everyone so much.